how to do battery cycle count or how to get battery cycle count info on your iPhone. First of all, go to the circuits and add battery checker shortcuts. If you haven't add it, then go to the browser and download it. Once you do that, go to your settings and hit on the battery and check your battery health. If you have below than 80%, then you need to have new battery. Once you make sure that, go back to the settings and hit on the privacy and security, and then scroll down and go through the analytics and improvements. From there, go through the analytics data and choose the latest one. There you can see the date. Choose the latest one and then click on the share button, which is on the top right corner of your screen, and then from there select battery checker. Then pop out will be seen on your screen where you can view cycle count. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.